binary basics. The easiest path to understanding zeros and ones. What is binary? Let's start with a question that might sound simple, but it's actually one of the most powerful ideas in all of technology. What exactly is binary? You've probably heard people refer to it as zeros and ones. And maybe you've seen long strings of those digits in movies when the hacker furiously types on a glowing green screen. But don't worry. Today, we're not hacking any government agencies. We're just cracking the code behind how computers think. And believe it or not, it all starts with the idea of off and on. At its core, binary is a numbering system. That might not sound very exciting yet, but hang in there. Unlike the decimal system we use every day, which is based on 10 digits 0 through 9, binary is based on just 2 digits, 0 and 1. That's it. Just those two. And that's why it's called binary. Bi is a prefix meaning 2. Not 100, not 10, just 2. And somehow, with just those 2 digits, computers can do everything from launching rockets to letting you binge watch your favorite television series. Now you might be wondering, why in the world would anyone use a system with only 2 digits when we already have a perfectly good one with 10? And that's a great question. The answer lies in how computers are built. Inside every computer, smartphone, game console, and smartwatch, everything is made up of tiny electronic components. These components, being circuits, transistors, or chips, can either have electricity flowing through them or not. To say it another way, electricity is either off or it's on. And the genius idea behind binary is that we can use 0 to represent off, and 1 to represent on. Suddenly, your device can start thinking. Not in the way you and I do, but in its own very logical, very fast, very precise way. So when we say binary is the language of computers, we really mean that computers only understand one thing, whether electricity is flowing or not. And everything else, including your text, selfies, spreadsheets, or your music playlist, gets broken down into a series of off and on signals. That's where binary comes in. It's the system we use to organize those signals into patterns. And those patterns eventually become data your computer can use. And here's the beautiful part. You already know how to understand binary, even if you don't realize it. Every time you flip a light switch, you're choosing between 2 states. Off and on. 0 and 1. That's binary. It's not intimidating once you realize it's something you've used your whole life. I'm just going to show you how to speak the same language your devices already do. As we progress through this course, I'm going to walk you through exactly how binary works and how to convert numbers between binary and decimal without breaking a sweat. I will keep things fun, light, and easy to follow. No overwhelming math and no pressure. Especially since you can watch these videos as many times as you need for the knowledge to sink in. Now, you definitely don't need to be a math genius to understand this, but having a solid understanding of basic math operations will go a long way. If you're comfortable with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, this will be a breeze. After that, all you really need is a curious mind and a little patience as we walk through this course together, step by step. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.